Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been forever since I've just gotten on here and talked to you guys face to face. We just got back like 2 days ago from a 2-week-long trip, a road trip, and right before we left for that trip, we went to Texas for about a week and a half. So I feel like I have not been home in like a month. And I feel like I've just been going, and I haven't really focused in on my YouTube channel as much as I normally would or should. But I'm back, guys, and I'm really excited to see all the videos that's going to come in the future. Really excited about this summer. Got lots of good things coming up, I'm sure. And I just wanted to bring you guys along today. I'm feeling extremely unmotivated. If you've ever went on a trip and you've gotten home, you know what I'm talking about. I feel like my room is a disaster, my bathroom's a disaster, the whole house just feels like it's just, we brought everything in from the car and we just threw it in there. So we got company coming tonight, so it has to be done. But I was just feeling completely unmotivated. My only motivation is the fact that we've got people coming over tonight and it needs to be done. But other than that, I know that sometimes you guys can feel the same way if you're just doing your everyday life. If you're a stay-at-home mom, maybe you're just needing some extra push today to get things done. We can do it. So grab your drink. I've just got some water here because, let's be honest, if I've been on the road for 2 weeks, I need to be pushing the water now. So usually it would be coffee, but today it's water because I need to get some more water flowing through me. Anyways, guys, I need to get stuff accomplished, so let's just jump right into it today. It's going to be pretty random, it's going to be pretty sporadic, but let's get things accomplished together. Here we go. So today I'm going to begin by working in my bedroom and getting this place cleaned up a bit. There was just piles kind of everywhere of random things that needed to be put away all around the house. Since we had just gotten back from this trip, there was just stuff that needed to be placed everywhere. So that's kind of what we're doing today in this room and putting lots of clothes away. And then once I finish here in my bedroom, I'm going to move on into my bathroom and get that place tidied up a bit as well. As you can see here, I use shower caps for my shoes. They're so nice and convenient. They just slip right around the shoe, and that makes them perfect to just throw them in your bag, your suitcase, whatever. It keeps the soles from touching anything. I love using shower caps for my shoe covers. So since I'm still pretty new to this whole YouTube thing and I'm trying to learn the ropes of it and learn what kind of content works best for me and what kind of content you guys like, I just was curious if you guys had a preference for what day that I posted my videos. So I've kind of gone between the ideas either Mondays or Tuesdays, and I posted on Tuesdays for a long while. Then I started posting a few on Mondays, and I didn't get much feedback whether, one was better than the other. But I just thought I would ask you guys, my people here on YouTube, comment down below, would you guys rather me post my videos every Monday morning or Tuesday morning? And of course the room is not complete without lighting a candle, and I have this brand new candle, so I'm cutting the wicks off so they're much shorter, and then I'm taking this electric, it's actually a rechargeable electric candle lighter, and we got this from Amazon, and I will link that down below if you want to get one for yourself. Alright, moving on into my bathroom. As you can see, there's stuff all over the countertops, and all of my toiletries are pretty much still in this bag, so I've got to go through those and put those all away. But first I'm going to start with the countertops and get those cleaned off. And I'm also restocking our toilet paper, and we have this nifty little toilet paper holder on the side, so I'm restocking that. And once I got everything put away, which was a big job in itself, I thought I would just do a quick little refresh here in the bathroom. I'm going to clean off this mirror here, wipe down the countertops, and wipe down the toilet, just because it had been a good long while since we were home and everything got dusty. It just needed to be done really quick before our company came over. And of course I've got to light a candle in here since I'm finished in this room as well. Alright guys, this is it for the video today. It's nice and short and sweet, but I hope that you feel motivated. I know that I felt a little bit more motivated as I started going, and I was thinking about all of you as I was cleaning and hoping that you would feel a little bit motivated through this short little video. Anyways guys, I hope that you'll stick around and subscribe if you want to become part of this YouTube family. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment if you want to, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.